All right, I apologize for the lighting on this one, but it was the only way that I could get this polar graph up on the board is to have it projected up there, and so I've got this light shining in my face, and it's creating a glare on the smartboard. But this should be a short video. We're asked to plot these points using polar coordinates. Remember, the first number in the polar coordinate is going to be the radius. That's how far away from the center we are. And the second is the direction. It's the angle, the polar angle, starting at 0 degrees and going clockwise for positive angles counterclockwise for positive angles, clockwise for negative angles. All right, so for 60, we're going to first find 60 degrees. That's this angle right here. And we're going out from the center 4 units. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 units is going to be right there. So that's the point. Radius of 4, angle 60 degrees. All right. Number 3, the angle measure now is in radians instead of degrees. And we've got some negatives. So let's first talk about the negative angle measure. For a negative angle measure, we're going clockwise around the circle instead of counterclockwise. So we're starting here at 0. Pi over 4 would be right here, negative pi over 4. 2 pi over 4 would be down here. 3 pi over 4 here. 4 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4 would be right along this line right there. And now the negative radius, it may seem strange to talk about a negative distance, a negative radius. And it kind of is. It's like saying instead of go 2 miles to the southeast, go negative 2 miles to the northwest. And that's kind of how this works out. So instead of going 2 units this way, toward that angle, we're going to go 2 units the opposite direction. So that point is going to be right there. That's going to be the point -2, -5 pi over 4.